Hey there, Amazon friends. Let's take a look at this ABOX Wi-Fi endoscope. Thing's pretty nice. I got it because I kept losing things down the drain and thought this would be a fun little toy to go in there and get them, and it worked. So you get the manual, the nice really long snake camera, the Wi-Fi box is rechargeable, which is cool, and then you also get a couple attachments here with like a little mirror, a magnet, and a hook so you can go down the drain. So let's take a look at the footage here. This is a drain in a utility sink that there had been something down there for the longest time, and I finally was able to see it. You can tell there it's a fork. So first thing I did was I tried to use the magnet to go down there and get it. Didn't work because it was a plastic fork. So then I got in there with the hook and was able to get that out. And then I found there was actually a paper clip down there too. So fished that out of there. And one thing about this endoscope I noticed was how easy it was to install. And then when I installed the app, it had all these bad ratings on it. And I'm like, why? It works just fine. So you open up the directions and there's a QR code. So you take your phone, whether it's Android or iOS. And I already installed it, otherwise it opens it to the Google Play Store. And then once it's installed, I can't really open it because I have to catch the device's Wi-Fi signal. So I have to make sure that this thing is turned on. So on, and then I go to the settings and go to connections on Wi-Fi, and then I select that Wi-Fi camera, whatever it's called for yours, and then as soon as I'm connected to that, then I can open the app and see what the camera sees. So there's the app icon there, and there's my arm. So and then it's got the options to record or take a picture. You can also press the button on here to take a picture and whatnot. Then you can go back and you can look at the videos that you've taken with it and whatever. So pretty straightforward. I don't know why people are confused and find it difficult. It seems easy.